Assalamu alaikum viewers. I'm gonna discuss to you nature. What's nature? Dear viewers and previous classes, I had information about nature. We studied that the study of nature is called science, but we hadn't any concept at that time that what's nature. But we just improvised that the study of nature is called science. But dear viewers, basically, I am telling you that nature is composed of living things and living things like trees and animals from microorganism to macroorganism. These are the these are components which are combined to with non-living things, mean physical things which are non-living begin or which are composed of subatomic particle till to galaxies star I mean that back and macro things. These are when combined to living things it make nature. And also we said that universe as nature. Universe is composed of living and non-living things both, and these are interact each other. These have the interaction. Let's suppose if we remove non-living things from the environment like water, earth, then the living thing wouldn't it can't be survive because they have interaction each other. They are they have interdisciplinary is a relation to each other. Dear, this is my view about and nature also involve landscapes, mountain, forest, and like the things which are uh, we we are not seeing and we can't see the satellites, the yeah, I mean other planets which are not in the uh, her near to us, they are away, like you know star stars are back in size. We can't imagine. Here are many stars, planets, and this universe. Those are very big and they are away from us. That's why we are not ready to those places. Our access is not that much vast. That's why I'm telling you that nature is basically composed of living and non-living things, and combinedly this is called universe. The study of universe, I think, and it's is a right definition that the study of universe is called nature. This is my topic, dearest. I will share here information about nature, about other things, about my ideas, questions. I will explore. I will share those information here, and you have to watch and subscribe my channel. Bye. Wassalam.